I made this hummingbird from my laser cutter. So I cut out each individual piece from laminate MDF, which I bought at a budget disposal place from Offcuts, and I cut each individual part of this hummingbird out. And the reason I did that was so that I could spray paint each piece, which gives it a really clean, crisp look. And I really like how it turns out as an art piece. I actually made it quite small, so the pieces were really small, but I think it was really nice. This is I just put a bit of masking tape over it to stop the small pieces falling through the honeycomb bed, and then this is it cut out, and before I've spray painted it. So what I did is I put each piece on some masking tape so it wouldn't blow away with the force of the spray paint. And here I am putting each piece on, sticking it on the masking tape. So it ends up looking a bit like a jigsaw puzzle. I just separate each piece. I am holding the camera whilst doing this, so I've only got one hand free. So that's why you can see me struggling to separate those two pieces. And I just colour coordinated. I knew which pieces needs to go where, so all the same colour went on the same piece of masking tape, and I sprayed it. And I was a bit uncertain what colours to do, so I ended up doing more colours than originally I was thinking, but I think it worked quite well doing it like this. And they were small, and I had to use tweezers to put it together. And I also had a template. As you can see, I cut around the whole shape of the bird, and this is me putting it together as a jigsaw puzzle. And I was really pleased with how it turned out, and I always find it's the little features which make all the difference. And I'm holding the camera the phone at the same time, so that's why it's a little bit getting it in the right place. It was a bit tricky. I wasn't even sure where this bit went, so I had to put it to the side and just keep going. The feet were quite small, so they were a bit tricky to get into place as well. I think I tried a little bit with the tweezers. And I had to keep pushing it into place. It did shift slightly as I was putting the other pieces in. And this is it, the hummingbird done. I hadn't spray painted the flower at this stage, as you can tell. I think it gives that nice 3D element to it, and you can see it's shiny and works well as a piece. And this is it finished with the flower spray painted. I found it worked well on the black. I feel like it just made the colours pop. And that's it finished. Thanks for watching.